Hi guys, this is Team Speaking Wheels here. As you all know, the monsoons have started and this is the best time to ride your bikes. We always keep saying that the amount of mud on your cycle is directly proportional to the amount of fun that you have had on these rides. But it's very important to have your cycles cleaned after all such muddy rides. So what we are going to do here is basically a dry cleanup of the bike today. You need very basic things which are available at home to clean up your cycles. An old t-shirt or a rag, a used toothbrush. This is a very important factor in cleaning your cycles. A degreaser like what we have here, or WD-40 as people call it. Diesel works as the best degreaser. So you could just try picking up some diesel from a petrol pump, and then later a lube which will help in cleaning up your chain and keeping it well oiled. Personally, I prefer to keep the cycle upright down. Just make sure that you balance the cycle on the saddle here and on the handle. Be very sure to keep an old newspaper below your cycle unless you want to get a good firing at home. Just release the wheel. It gives you easy access to the parts that are not easily accessible to the hand when the wheel is in position. Now take your rag and start cleaning off the dry mud that has accumulated. You will have to do this intensely because after the ride it becomes a little difficult to take it out. It's pretty unclean. Use a little bit of pressure to be sure that the dirt and the muck is free. It's a combination of a little bit of oil on the road from your chain and the mud. Turn the pedal so that you get access to the entire cogwheel. So what I have here is some diesel, a little bit of diesel. I just dab the rag or the t-shirt, old t-shirt in it. As you can see, this is all black. This is supposed to be chrome or silver, as you may call it. Just start rubbing off the muck. As you can see, it is already loosening up. The chain or the cogwheels should shine like diamonds. So be sure to wipe it absolutely clean. Now let's move on to the drive chain. The drive chain has three things that need to be cleaned. One is the chain itself. The second part is the three cogs and the two smaller cogs. Again, I take a bit of the diesel or any degreaser. Just start cleaning up the chain. It has started melting away the muck and the mud. Make sure to wipe away all the dirt and the mud that has come onto the chain. Scrape off all the muck. So now here's the used old toothbrush. What this does is basically it can give you access to places where it's difficult to clean. Plus the bristles of the toothbrush will make it easier to clean up the hard, stubborn mud. So don't throw away your old toothbrushes. Just keep them. It's a very good tool for the cleaning of the components. Now what you can do additionally is give the cycle a nice wash with soap water so that the cycle looks almost like new. Let the chain dry and then you take a lube. It could be a wet lube or a dry lube. Wet lubes are preferred. And you could just oil up the cycles. Make sure that you don't over oil the chain. The chain has to be moist, not wet. And we should be good for our next monsoon ride. So here was a quick demo of how you can clean the cycles at home. So happy riding, stay safe, and we hope to see you a lot riding and pedaling away to happiness in the monsoons.